Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get your Google Maps API key. Let's get started. First, go to Google Maps platform, then click on Get Started. Next, you will need to enable billing as this is a required step, and you can't use the API key without it. Start by filling out necessary information, then choose your country and verify your account through SMS. Then fill out some more information. Next, click on My First Project right here, or you can choose an existing one that you already have. If you are making a new project, enter in its name, organization, and location, then click on Create. Next, click on APIs and Services, then Credentials, then API Key. This action will generate your key and you will see it in a pop-up window. Just click on this icon right here so you can copy your API key. And that is how you can obtain your Google Maps API key. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.